Now, thinking time is over in investing in Bangalore. Invest now in north part of the Bangalore for better return on investments. As soon as you will invest, you can expect more returns. Why? Because developer is revising the price time to times and phase by phase. So it's better invest early for good returns. Hi everyone, my name is Danish and you're watching Legacy Smart Space, a real estate consultant company which help you to invest in a right time at a right place and earn huge profit. Today, the most important topic which I'm going to cover, north part of the Bangalore. Is it really north part of the Bangalore is now right options to invest for better returns? And why, as per last 2-year data, 75% people is investing towards the north part of the Bangalore? So answer is very simple. Lots of big development is happening in that locations, Bangalore, and land availabilities. So north part of the Bangalore is going to become our next Silicon Valley. Marks my words, because you have an international airport. और जहाँ पे भी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट होता है वहाँ पे एज पर लास्ट 5-year डेटा प्रॉपर्टी प्राइस हैज गॉन फ्रॉम 15 to 18% हाइक. So ideally we should invest nearby airport within 5 to 10 kilometers. And second factor, Blue Line metro station is in under constructions. It will connect airport to Hebbal. Easily people can go central Bangalore. It will again boost housing demands and more commercial space towards the north part of the Bangalore. If we talk about the Devanahalli, जहाँ पे काफ़ी big development हो रहा है, KIDB Phase 2 is coming, जहाँ पे IT industry and tech hubs is going to be shifted. KIDB Phase 1 is in Bangalore. Due to that, Bangalore got 65 to 70% appreciation in just last 2 years. And Foxconn, जो satellite ring road के पास 300 acres of land parcel पे एक मैसिव आईफोन प्लांट सेटअप करने जा रहा है, जिसकी वजह से देवनाहल्ली ओवरनाइट एक रियल एस्टेट हॉटस्पॉट बन गया है. ये काफ़ी अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. एंड कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट डोरबल्लापुर में क्वीन सिटी बनाने जा रही है, जहां पे टॉप एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, स्टार्टअप्स, ग्लोबल रिसर्च सेंटर्स बनाए जाएंगे, जिसकी वजह से 80,000 जॉब का क्रिएशन एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है 40,000 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ. टॉक अबाउट दी कनेक्टिविटी, जहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट 6 lanes हाईवे रोड एंड सैटेलाइट टाउन रिंग रोड एक्सपेंशंस काफ़ी अच्छा रोल प्ले कर रहा है इकोनॉमिक्स एक्टिविटीज़ को बूस्ट करने के लिए. एंड रेसिडेंशियल डिमांड्स एंड कमर्शियल डिमांड उसकी वजह से बढ़ जाएंगे, जहाँ पे जो इन्वेस्टर को काफ़ी अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए नॉर्थ पार्ट ऑफ द बैंगलोर में. तो इतने सारे बिग डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे हैं देवनाहल्ली और डोरबल्लापुर में. Once the Blue Line metro will get operationals, all the IT tech parks will get occupied. The area of North Bangalore will boost up. Mark my words for sure. Easily we can expect 7 to 8 years down the lines, 20 to 25 lakhs people will work in north part of the Bangalore. Demand will increase, supply is limited. Thank you for watching Legacy Smart Space. If you want to know more about the ACAT builders, Prestige, Godrej, Sobha, Brigade and all, feel free to reach out to us. I will help you end-to-end process, and also you can schedule your free site visits. Will help you to finalize your home dream end-to-end process. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video.